What's up everybody, it's Stack Savvy, and let's be real. Who wouldn't want to make an extra $100 a day? Imagine covering your bills, paying off debt, or even investing all from the comfort of your couch. Well, the good news is, making money online is totally doable, and you don't need to be a tech genius to do it. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 ridiculously easy ways to make $100 a day online, all from home, even if you're starting from scratch. No fancy skills, no crazy investments, just you, your computer, and the power of the internet. First up, let's talk freelancing. Now, freelancing is like the wild west of online work. You've got platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, which are basically like online marketplaces where you can offer your skills to the world. Think you're good at graphic design? Boom! Offer logo design services. Good with words? Become a freelance writer. You can even do video editing, voiceovers, you name it. And the best part is, you don't need a fancy degree or years of experience to get started. There are tons of free resources out there like Canva for graphic design or even ChatGPT for writing. You can literally learn on the go and start making money in your spare time. We're talking an average of $20 to $100 or more per task. Not bad for working from your PJs, right? Next up, we're diving into the world of passive income, baby. And nothing screams passive income like selling digital products. I'm talking ebooks, templates, printables, you name it. You create it once, and it can sell over and over again, generating income while you sleep. The beauty of it is, you don't even need to be a master creator. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT to help you write the content and Canva to design beautiful visuals. Then, list your products on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad and watch the sales roll in. We're talking a potential income of $10 to $200 per day, depending on how much traffic you can drive to your products. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing, the ultimate side hustle for anyone who loves talking about products they love. Here's how it works. You partner with a company you believe in, you promote their products to your audience, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's like getting paid to recommend stuff you already use and love. The key here is to find affiliate programs that align with your interests and your audience. Amazon Associates is a great place to start. They've got millions of products you can promote. You can also check out platforms like ClickBank or Impact.com for more specialized programs. Share your links on your YouTube channel, blog, social media, or even TikTok. With enough traffic, you can easily make $50 to $500 or more per day. Look, sometimes you just need to make some quick cash, and that's where remote jobs and gig platforms come in. Websites like TaskRabbit, User Testing, or even Amazon Mechanical Turk are constantly posting short tasks that you can complete for money. We're talking about things like data entry, completing surveys, testing websites, or even doing small micro tasks. These gigs usually don't require any special skills, and you can do them whenever you have a few spare minutes. We're talking about a realistic income of $50 to $100 per day, all while working part-time from your couch. It's a great way to supplement your income, or even just cover some unexpected expenses. Last but not least, let's talk about print on demand, one of my favorite ways to sell physical products without actually holding any inventory. Platforms like Redbubble and Teespring let you upload your designs onto everything from t-shirts and hoodies to mugs, phone cases, and even wall art. When someone places an order, they handle the printing, shipping, and customer service while you collect the profits. The best part is, you don't need to be a design whiz to create awesome products. You can use Canva to create simple designs or even leverage AI art tools to generate unique and eye-catching graphics. With a little creativity and some smart marketing, you can easily make $10 to $300 or more per day selling print-on-demand products. So there you have it, guys. 5 ridiculously easy ways to make $100 a day online from home. Remember, making money online takes effort, consistency, and a little bit of hustle, but the rewards are totally worth it. Whether you're looking to quit your 9-to-5, pay off debt, or just achieve financial freedom, these methods can help you get there. If you want more game-changing tips and strategies on how to make money online and build wealth, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.